Did you know there's a tiny postal bird who delivers magical messages while you sleep? His name is Fletcher, and every night he flies through neighborhoods with a very special mailbag. Inside Fletcher's bag are enchanted feathers that carry the most important messages of all. The shimmery rainbow ones bring sweet dreams from grandparents who live far away. Golden feathers deliver brave and strong wishes from your favorite teddy bears. And the most special silver feathers, they carry love from pets who have gone to heaven but still watch over you. Fletcher knows exactly which child needs which message. He peeks through bedroom windows and gently places the perfect feather on each pillow. A little girl who had a scary day gets a golden brave feather. A boy missing his grandma finds a rainbow dream feather. When morning comes, children wake up with mysterious feathers beside them and the biggest, happiest smiles. They don't know about Fletcher's midnight deliveries, but somehow they always feel more loved, braver, and ready for a new day.